Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenSwim Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing that we want to do is put these into pairing mode. Now if you look at the one side here that has the minus and the plus button here, we'll know that this is in pairing mode if it's blinking over here, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? So let me go ahead and turn these headphones off first. I'm going to hold the plus sign for a few seconds. Just hold it and wait till it turns off. Okay, red light there, let go. Now it turned off. Now what I'm going to do to put it in pairing mode, that plus sign again while the headphones are off, I'm going to press and hold that plus sign, and I'm going to hold it and wait until it starts blinking blue, red there, okay? So plus sign here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait. Wait, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our computer, and you want to go directly to your Bluetooth settings. So you can go down to the search bar down here, and we can just type in Bluetooth, and it comes up Bluetooth and other device systems right there. Let's select that. Make sure you tap on Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to tap up here, add Bluetooth other device. So let's select that. From here, we're going to select the first one, Bluetooth. Now this line that's going across there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is Bluetooth range about 30 feet. All right, these are still in pairing mode. Still blinking blue, red. Now we just got to wait for it to show up here somewhere. Oh, there you go. OpenSwim Pro. Let me go ahead and select that. It says connecting. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. And you can see we're also connected. It says right there as well. Okay, so pretty simple. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.